Kaz.
Yeah.
So this is Simon then?
Yeah. He's there.
Is he your new favourite?
Yeah.
He's pretty, isn't he?
Yep.
He's got a nice horn and blue feet,
Yeah.
and look at his hair as well. So what do you think of him?
Pretty.
What's your favourite game to play with him?
Smush face.
Smush face?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's where I smush his face, Dad.
Well, does that not hurt, Simon?
No.
I'm sure that hurts getting your face smushed.
Watch. Smush.